Hi, your Blender materials break in Houdini Solaris. Today I'll show you a quick way to export textured 3D models from Blender to Solaris using USD pipeline. First, prepare your geo. Apply all transforms, scale, rotation, everything should be clean. Second, simplify your materials, just textures and a principal BSDF, no crazy procedural stuff. Now, File, Export, USD. Enable Convert Orientation, set your object types, I'm using Mesh only, and switch materials to USD Preview Surface. Alright, jump into Solaris, File, Sublayer, and bring it in. And yeah, materials are broken. So here is the trick. I built a shelf tool that fixes this in one click. Select your materials, run USD to MTLX, and done. Clean MaterialX shaders with all the parameters and textures hooked up, ready for karma. Could you rebuild everything manually? Just copy all the parameters from USD to MTLX nodes, copy textures and repeat it for every material. Do you want to spend 30 minutes fixing 10 materials? Probably not. That's why this exists. A link in the description, and that's it. Bye.